If you're someone who refuses to settle for anything less than perfection, York House in Nottingham is the ideal destination. This exceptional residence offers a range of ensuites and studios, ensuring that every preference and budget is accommodated. Arrive home to a fully furnished sanctuary complete with Wi-Fi and ample storage options, facilitating a hassle-free move-in experience. But that's not all. Embrace an active lifestyle with an on-site gym, excel academically in the study area, and unwind with fellow residents in the common and social lounge areas, or catch your favorite movies in the cinema room. Additionally, a fully equipped communal kitchen allows students to prepare meals or snacks at their convenience. Conveniently located near the University of Nottingham and Nottingham Trent University, achieving your academic goals is easily attainable. Situated in the heart of the action, residents can enjoy coffee at Punch Coffee or Fox Cafe, savor culinary delights at Noor Jahan Restaurant or Mamo's Grill, and explore local history at Nottingham Castle or the City of Caves on weekends. With nearby transportation options, the enchanting attractions of Nottingham are just a bus ride or train journey away. Does this sound like the perfect opportunity? If so, visit amberstudent.com and secure your ideal stay at York House Nottingham today.